Grab Project, Gravity Assisted Pulse Motor Fabrication Two-Stage Oscillator Update. We're going to document the problem with this configuration. See if I can get back far enough here. And give it a spin. And you can see we get good deflection until it starts. Basically what's happening is as the balance beam rises, it affects the spin of the rotating pulse motor arms, and so it almost creates. I mean, if that was a heavier weight on the arms, it would create a stall condition. And so at no weight, we're getting anywhere between 10 and 30 volts. Yeah, between 10 and 30 volts. So it speeds up, it slows down, it speeds up, it slows down. And, the amount of torque it's producing clearly isn't enough to produce any significant current. So that's basically because there's no weights on the arms, and dealing with the problem of the stall problem. I don't see a way to get past this. Plus the pulse motor itself, the magnets are too small. We're fabricating the larger magnet rotor that we did what is it, a year ago, 2 years ago. So we'll have more torque, but we're going to refabricate the 10-pound weight drop configuration from two years ago, which involves a reduction transmission, two one-way bearings on the rotating arms, and basically what that does is it creates an enormous pulse, and then that'll give it time to that'll lift the weight on the other end, and also give it time to have a much longer stroke, which will produce more current at the output. So this is just a quick update. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the day. Cheers. I mean, we could try fabricating a rotor with all the magnets on one side, and then just allow gravity to swing the thing around. But that's extremely hard to fabricate because of the dense fluxity of the of the magnets, or the magnetic flux density on the magnets. So that's extremely dangerous. And you can see it just stalled. So, and I think what happened is we just fried some more FETs. Which one's hot? Actually, they all are. Yeah. Okay. So apparently my heat sinks aren't big enough, and so we'll increase the size of the heat sinks, and we're getting larger FETs. Still waiting for parts. Enjoy the day. Thanks for watching. Cheers.